Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a desk lamp on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online marketplace that delivers the product directly to consumer from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will just go here to search button. I will click over the desk lamp. So here we can see. So I will just go with these ones. Okay. This is basically our dark lamp. Okay. So this product will cost you around $57.25 on Amazon, but hence you are paying just here $7.110, 10 and saving 87%. So here we can see. Okay, so here we can see the all detail also. Okay, so here we can see detail. So it is USB powered and it is non-waterproof. Okay, and here we can see it's come with a rechargeable property. You have to recharge through your USB plug. Okay, here we can see it's look like this. It is brighter, immediate, dim. It will look like something like this. So to buy, you will just click on add to cart, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. And this is how to buy a desk lamp on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.